Welcome everyone. Problem on mole concept. What mass of CaO will be produced by heating 3 moles of CaCO3? Dissociation of 1 mole of CaCO3 will produce 1 mole of CaO plus 1 mole of CO2. Molar mass of CaO is equal to 56 gram. So, when 1 mole of CaCO3 is heated, 56 gram of CaO is produced. Therefore, when 3 moles of CaCO3 is heated, 56 into 3 is equal to 168 gram of CaO is produced. Thank you for watching this video.